Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to pair your Fitbit Luxe to your phone. First, make sure your Luxe is charged to at least 50%. This ensures a smooth setup process without interruptions. Next, download the official Fitbit app from your phone's app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, as this is essential for the connection. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll need to either log into your existing Fitbit account or create a brand new one if you're a first-time user. This account stores all your health data securely. After logging in, navigate to the account icon, typically found in the upper left corner of the app screen. This is where you'll manage your devices. From the account menu, select the option to set up a device. The app will then present a list of available Fitbit trackers. Scroll down and choose Luxe to begin the pairing process specifically for your device. The app will then guide you through a series of simple on-screen prompts, which usually involve confirming a 4-digit code displayed on your Luxe's screen. After selecting Luxe, a 4-digit code will appear on your Luxe's display. Enter this exact code into the Fitbit app on your phone to confirm the connection. The app will then take a moment, usually less than 1 minute, to synchronize with your new device. Once complete, you can personalize your Luxe settings and start exploring all the health and fitness features within the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.